What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Oh my gosh, it is my birthday weekend. I'm super excited. I don't know why I'm excited. Oh girl, let me stop. I'm excited because I'm getting older. Every year is a blessing. So many people ain't made it to my age. Oh my gosh. So many people haven't made it to my age. And I am excited to be. Did you see that? Yeah. I'm just saying, that's all right with me. It's all right with me because God is good and the devil is a liar. He's a liar. Woo! I'm excited. Y'all, even with that being said, I do have a couple of things I want to talk about. I still got to work. And yeah, do a little work. But it's some good work because, I mean, this stuff has brought me through, and we're gonna talk about that. And I got something cute because we need to get this body moving. I mean, I can't say it's gonna be like toned and muscular, but doggone it, it's gonna be moving. It's gonna be moving, okay? And you know, I'm gonna get ready to have me an enjoyable evening. I don't know what the plans are. But it's an enjoyable evening this evening, tomorrow evening, and the real big day is Sunday, March the 9th. If you didn't know that was my birthday,
happy birthday!
Get on board. I don't know why you didn't know. And I'm putting my CASHAPP on the screen. I'm not playing. You know, CASHAPP, right here. It's right here. CASHAPP, make it clap, baby. Bring it on. Bring it on. But anyway, what else is going on with me? I don't know. Other than grandmommy mode, Miss Royal is in there. She'll be celebrating my birthday with me. Her mommy couldn't make it to town. I was hoping she would because we was going, woo, turn up. I was going to turn up. Like for real. But she couldn't make it, so that's okay. She's blessed me already, and I appreciate that. So anyway, we are getting ready to talk about a few things here and there, but I will see y'all real soon in the next video. Stay tuned for the items that I got to show y'all because you need them. If you're my age, you definitely need most of it. Okay, so let me get to that, and I will see y'all after my birthday. Okay, after my birthday, I will see you. But I'll still be working behind the scenes because y'all know I operate a couple of channels. Okay, check me out also on Sweet Angel and Mike. We still got our little channel over there. Go back and binge watch some old stuff. Okay, I don't have anything new posted other than it was our anniversary on February 25th. We celebrated 17 years of marriage. We've been together over 20 years, but 17 years of marriage is a blessing because a whole lot of people ain't made it to that either. Okay. And then I operate and manage Royal TV. Y'all know I've been homeschooling my baby. I say my baby. She is my baby, but she's my grandbaby. I've been homeschooling her, and it turned into a routine. So the routine is now on a channel. Things I teach her, your kid or grandkid can get some education too. A little bit. I don't know a whole lot, but I know a little something to teach my grandbaby. And, you know, my music channel, I ain't been doing no music lately. It's been awfully quiet. Y'all forgot my phone number. Y'all better be calling me. Y'all better tell the people y'all trying to be calling me. Girl, the red bone with the saxophone is still here. Kicking high. Okay. Anywho, and, you know, I got my other little channels as well, you know, the Keeping It Cute, which I ain't did nothing over there, but we are planning to go live over there. That's the plan. But y'all know it's just never a quiet moment around here. This house is running 24 hours a day, and it's hardly a moment. So I just figured it'll have to be raw and in live because, girl, when can I get a break? Can I get a break? Can a sister get a break? No, she can't. But anyway, I'm out of here. Here's the goodies I got to show y'all. Make sure you remember, don't skip the description box. Who doing that? When you skip the description box, you missing the goodies. Y'all already know. I'll see y'all. CASHAPP. Listen, I've been taking the complete multi-symptom menopause supplement for a while now, and I can honestly say it has made a huge difference in my daily life. Y'all, I was wondering what was going on with me. I was not the same person I was a few months ago, but guess what? It's been interesting to say there was something missing, and this menopause supplement here is what it was. Y'all, lately, menopause has hit me hard. I mean, mood swings, constant fatigue, but this supplement has helped ease those symptoms tremendously. I love that it's made with naturally sourced ingredients like black cohosh, dong quai, and ashwagandha. Everything works together to balance my hormones without any harsh chemicals. Not only have my hot flashes and irritability lessened, but I also feel more energized throughout the day. Y'all, early on when I was postmenopausal, I didn't experience hard, heavy menopause symptoms, but suddenly here lately, things have changed up a little bit, and I don't know what's going on with that, but I'm so glad about these complete multi-symptom menopause supplements. I tell you what, menopaused understood the assignment. Y'all, my sleep had been off. I was struggling with restless nights, but now I sleep so much better. My husband noticed, like, you got a good night's rest last night. And oh, yes, I did. And I wake up feeling refreshed. Plus, the added vitamin D and calcium give me peace of mind knowing I'm supporting my bone health. They're also vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO, which is a big plus for me. I'm so glad Menopause reached out to me and I was able to give these a try. I also was able to just add these to my regimen easily. So if you're struggling with menopause symptoms, I highly, highly recommend these menopause dietary supplements here. A complete multi-symptom menopause supplement. Try them for at least 30 days to really feel the benefits. I know I do. And I want to thank Menopause for partnering with me. I truly love these. I have to tell y'all about some of my absolute favorite day-to-day shapewear. Have you ever put on a dress and wished for just a little extra smoothing and shaping? Honey, I know I have. I have struggled time and time to find shapewear that was actually comfortable, seamless, and did what it promised. But then I found Nobility Shapewear Bodysuit for Women. I want to thank Nobility for reaching out to me and sending this one over. And let me tell you, Nobility understood the assignment. The first time I put it on, I was amazed. It gave me a nice sleek look without feeling too tight or restrictive. It helps to smooth things out and gives me tummy control while letting me breathe comfortably. Now, I'm a thick girl, so I didn't expect miracles, but I am still impressed. The fabric is soft, it's stretchy, and lightweight, so there's no squeezing or discomfort. Just a smooth and sculpted shape that I say look amazing under this dress. And the best part is totally seamless. So there are no weird lines or bulges showing through my clothes. What I really love about the bodysuit is how versatile it is. I can wear it under a dress like this for a flawless silhouette, or I can style it with jeans and a blazer for a sleek, put together look. It holds me in place while still giving me a natural shape. No stiff, bulky feeling at all. You know how you can hug someone and it feels like they got on a bulletproof vest? Honey, not this. And listen, you saw the straps earlier. They actually stay put, so I'm not constantly adjusting throughout the day. Also, the best part, the confidence boost. There's just something about slipping into this bodysuit that makes me feel amazing. It helps my clothes fit better, my posture improve, and my overall look feel more polished. If you've been looking for a shapewear bodysuit that really works, this is the one. I can't recommend it enough.
She looks in the mirror, sees a story unfold, lines of laughter, dreams untold. Through the years she's walked so strong. Now it's her time, she can't go wrong. No matter the season, no matter the time, the glow in her heart still shines so divine. She's got that fire, that spark in her eyes, ready to soar, ready to rise. It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl, dancing through life, giving love a twirl. Dreams don't expire, and beauty won't fade. You're a diamond, breakable, never afraid. She's been through the heartache, weathered the storm, still standing tall in grace she's adorned. Wisdom and wonder wrapped in her soul. Every new chapter she's taking control. No matter the season, no matter the time, the glow in her heart still shines so divine. She's got that fire, that spark in her eyes, ready to soar, ready to rise. It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl, dancing through life, giving love a twirl. Dreams don't expire, and beauty won't fade. You're a diamond, unbreakable, never afraid. So wear your crown, let it shine. Own your story, every line. Lift your voice, let it be heard. You're a queen, you're the one. It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl, living your truth, letting love unfurl. Time can't define you, nor set you apart. You're forever young, with a fearless heart. Keep on shining, keep on glowing. Every heartbeat, life keeps showing. Doesn't matter your age, you can still